Here's an easy way of making money online, and all you have to do is install apps. You can install the PayPal app and get $15, the Cash app and get $20, install another app and get $30, and so on. You can install game apps, social media apps, earning apps, and any other apps that you want. Each time you install these apps, you'll be paid up to $30 per app. You can earn over $1,000 in one day if you use these 5 websites that I'm going to show you. If you stay until the end of the video, I will give you a bonus site where you can earn 10 times more money than the others. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection, which means you can do this from anywhere in the world, and it works in almost every country. Now I'm going to go from the lowest paying website all the way to the highest paying website, and the first app where you can get paid to install other apps is called karma.io. You can find this only on Google Play Store or the App Store. Look for this logo right here. In the app's dashboard, you'll be able to see all of your other apps and games, and next to them you'll see exactly how many points you'll earn once you install that specific app. All you have to do is sign up, it's completely free, and install it. Log into your new account and you'll have a list of all the different apps you can download in the Karma app will earn you different amounts of points. For example, with this one you can earn over 1,400 points just for literally clicking the small install button, and you can even remove it after a few minutes. They also have a few different offers that you can complete, but the easiest is just to install different apps, because all you have to do is click install, right? Within a few minutes you can redeem your points. You can choose to cash out your winnings via PayPal or other gift cards if you wish. Now if you're wondering how long it will take you to earn at least $10 from this website, well, for $10 in PayPal cash you'll need 12,500 points, or about 10 different apps that you'd need to install, which when you think about it isn't much at all, because all you have to do is click the install button and wait a few minutes and repeat the process 10 times until you have enough points to redeem $10 in PayPal money. But before we go any further, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so the second platform is called Ysense.com, and here you have a bunch of different ways to make money online, but today we will focus specifically on downloading apps, and that is because it is one of the easiest ways to make money online right now. You can take various paid surveys, sign up for websites, watch videos, and earn money doing this and much more. All you have to do is go to Ysense.com, sign up now by entering your email address and creating a specific password for your account. After that, just tap on join now and you'll be able to access all the different apps that you can download. Every time you download an app, you'll get paid real money, and if you want to maximize your results with this website, I highly recommend checking out their referral program, as they pay over 30% of lifetime commissions. If you have a friend or family that you think could benefit from this website, or know someone who enjoys making money online, then you can use your referral link that's from Ysense.com and send them your referral link, and if they start earning, you will earn 30% of their total revenue. So if they earn, let's say $1,000 with Ysense, you will earn $300 in pure passive income, and that's just from a single referral. The more you refer, the more passive income you earn. Another platform that pays even more is called Getpaidto.com, and the good thing about this website is that you will get paid to install games on your smartphone. It's something we probably do every single day, and now you even get paid for it to install these apps and games absolutely free. You have several earning options at Getpaidto.com, including completing surveys, quick tasks, and online offers. However, all of this will take more time and effort and not worth it compared to downloading apps. Downloading apps only takes 2 to 3 minutes and you can get paid quickly. So go to Getpaidto.com, click join for free today and start installing these games. You can cash out $1 by earning 5,000 points, which means you will need 50,000 points to earn $10. But don't worry, because they pay a lot more points for the apps and games that you install. They have several payment options, including bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, several gift cards, and of course PayPal. And now the fourth platform to earn money by installing absolutely free applications is called Prizerebel.com, and Prizerebel is my favorite because it pays you instantly. You absolutely don't have to wait, and you can sign up in 5 seconds, install a few apps and get paid instantly. You can get paid through PayPal and other payment methods available here, as well as various gift cards including Visa, Amazon, Walmart gift cards, and it works in most countries, but you can check if it's available in your country by creating a free account on the website. You sign up for free, start installing a few apps, and you can start earning today. Over 12 million people use this website, so you know it's really good, and they paid in cash and rewards since 2007. It's also been reviewed by Trustpilot and Survey Police and has great reviews on the website. You can see the testimonials from people who have won money with Prizerebel. So sign up for Prizerebel using your Google or Facebook account and start earning big money online straight away. And now the bonus website where you can earn $30 per application is called plugcode.in. This website, The Plug, can easily monetize your followers, and people are making a lot of money with this website. And you can make $1,000 or even up to $5,000 per day. Some people make over $200 a day just from this app alone, so it pays really well. And the way it works is that you can install the app plugin, and in the app you can enter referral links for other apps. You can then promote those referral links, and each time someone installs that specific app, you'll be paid a specific amount for each installed app. You pick an app to promote, post it on your social media, and you'll get paid. Some people are literally earning over 6 figures just from this app, and it has huge potential, but it's very different from the previous 5 apps that I showed you in this video, because it won't pay you to install the app directly. Instead, you will have to promote these apps so that other people can install them through your referral link, and this way you'll get paid. It works really good, pays fast, and by using this app you can easily earn $30 per app. And that's all for today. If you want to earn even more money online, then click the videos on the screen right now.